with no social security, thinking social security to Embark 1539. Baltic crew have a huge experience on board the dredgers. There is a competitive advantage Lithuanian with the European social security and tax. Estonia has a huge competitive advantage, zero tax for seafarers and the flag. Thank you very much. Hope that the rest of the social security and the income tax and the flag taxes and the social security tax and all kinds of tax with seafarers are this gone. Now that would create really a huge pool of European revenue incoming to Europe instead of paying the government. So then please think about you Baltic crew that you are on board the cruise ships, Liberia, Panama, whatever flags of convenience. Dredging ships, same thing with no social security. The cruise with no social security, flag of convenience, no social security. Any other situation with no social security. Here we have this Italian flag, no English required, ABs, 3,100 euros, Roro, Bo. If you don't have experience, Roro, then perhaps you are willing to accept 2,200 at OS if you are from general cargo, other type ships, and then promote inside the company. If you are one of those, contact us. We have had many electricians on board the cruises, $2,000, but here is 3,200 euros plus social security, the $2,000 without social security. If you are from a cruise, apply here. Even truck drivers, 3,200 net, plumber, 3,200 net, cook, general cargo, roros, 2,800 net, and then we have junior officers, 3,400, 3,300. Why? There's not European ratings, so it's supply and demand. But if you are young, any of those ranks is very interesting for you because Social Security, after 2 years in Italy, you get 2 years unemployment, then you become employed directly by the company, you have a pension plan, sanitary assistance, you are fully covered if you are thinking about the long-term career. And if not, if you want promotions, these ships, the cargo ships, the Roro ships are 37,000 tons, and then this company has 77 total ships, all Italian flag, so you will be fully covered. The more time, more seniority you have in the company, you will be employed directly with the social security, which no other company can give you this unemployment and so on. So apply urgently. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.